Bonjour. I hope your short break of Diwali vacation was really very nice and you had a great time at home by being safe. Again, we are beginning with our lectures. Today, we are going to have some short basic information on grammar rules. Once again, we are recapping it. In French, when we pronounce it, pronunciation is different. It is written in English and the meaning is totally different. That you all know. This is the first and basic rule of French. Then, while we speak, the words last letter are usually silent. In feminine, many places we put E. So we speak it differently from masculine and feminine. For example, you have your colors. In colors, you have VERT, where that is green. If you put E, it becomes feminine, and the pronunciation from where becomes verte. Okay, so by adding an E or by adding few letters, the pronunciation changes, and often many letters are not spoken at the end. They are silent. For example, if we say LES lay, then S is silent. COULEURS cooler. S is silent. Le cooler, we all know it is the colors in plural. But we do not speak S, so it becomes silent and we speak le cooler. Okay. Then there are few more rules from 0 to 20 numbers. Le nombre. LES le, NOMBRES. Nombre. It is nombre spelling and not le numbers. We do not write NUMBRES because that becomes in English. So it is spoken as le nombre or le nombre cardinal. Alright, cardinal numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 20 you have learnt. And the 3 in this number from 1 to 10. And the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The pronunciation of spellings are different. U and A, DEUX. The, not dukes or dicks or anything, but it is the. TROIS, trois. QUATRE. It is TRE at the end, not TER. It is quatre and not quarter. If we pronounce and write quarter, it becomes wrong. It is in English. So it is quatre and CINQ, sank. We do not write G. Many times while writing the spelling of number 5, CINQ, you write G. Then it becomes sing. And we do not have sing in French. It is sank. SIX, 6 is in English. The same spelling is in French. It becomes SIX, sees. Sees. SEPT, set. P is silent in between. HUIT, wheat, because H is silent and UIT is pronounced as wheat. So, wheat. NEUF, neuf, neuf. And DIX, number 10, is this. So, we pronounce it like sees. Same way, these. It is not dix or dix or dux, nothing like that. It is these. Then 11, ONZE, owns. Then we have 12, DOUZE, those. Then trace, TREIZE, trace. Then like quatre, quatorze, QUATORZE, quatorze. Then 15, it is quinze, not queens or kings, nothing. Quinze, QUINZE, quinze. Then we have 16, SEIZE, says. 6 is sees, 16 is says, totally different. Then 17, 18 and 19, 10 plus 7, 10 plus 8, 10 plus 9. What is 10 in French? These. Dash, sept, SEPT, 17, 18, 19. And while writing this spelling, we do not forget to put a dash in between or a hyphen in between. So we write it properly, DIX dash SEPT, 17, 18, 19, and 2020 is VINGT, when. VINGT, when. It is not wing it or wings or winged, it is when. VINGT. Alright, these were number rules. Then you all had your different articles, that is definite and indefinite articles. Indefinite articles, a or n for masculine plural singular, a or n for masculine singular, then feminine singular also. But in French, masculine singular is known as you and un. For all the objects, a ball, un ballon, a pencil, un crayon, a sharpener, un taille crayon. Same way, feminine things, an eraser, une gomme, and une, both are written differently. So the plural of it will both will be same by writing DES, they, in front instead of an un, because from one unit it becomes two more units. Alright, and un becomes DES, they, that is some. A pencil, some pencils. Because in English if we write, then also it becomes some pencils. PENCILS, pencil. It changes. So, un crayon, des crayons. When you write plural of des crayons, crayon will have S at the end. And instead of un and un, you will put DES. Okay, so this is indefinite article. And what is definite article? That is your the. Indefinite articles, when you are learning in lesson 5, it tells you that you have to write those indefinite articles when, see here, when you have to tell the gender of the noun, and you have to tell by O or N. So, un ballon, une glace, un papillon, une pomme. And plural will be des ballons, des glaces, des pommes, des papillons. Okay? What is definite article, it is the in English. And what is that the? It is used to denote the objects that are known to the speakers. When the speaker is speaking about the object, he knows what he is speaking about. Okay? L. It is the for masculine singular. La. It is the for feminine singular. L apostrophe, that is the masculine or feminine singular, but it is starting with vowel A-E-I-O-U or silent H. Les is same like Des. Des means some, used for plural, and Les is the only but used for plural, whether it is masculine or feminine. La pomme and plural is les, les, pommes, les pommes. S is silent. Same way, we have L apostrophe orange, l'orange. That is singular fruit orange. How do we write it in plural? Les, oranges. And when we link vowel, the pronunciation changes. Les oranges. Okay? Les oranges. You had J apostrophe AIM. Jane, which means you are talking about likes and dislikes. Same way you had hate. Like is Jane and dislike is je déteste. Je déteste. If you do not like something or you hate it, you do not eat it. That is je déteste. If you like mango more, Jane la mangue. But if you do not like guava more, then you tell je déteste la goya. Same way in colors, we have masculine and feminine. By adding an S, it becomes plural. Bleu, bleu. In masculine singular, masculine plural will become bleus, bleu. But S will remain silent. We have orange color which do not take S. Same way maroon, that is marron. Maroon is also brown, as it is also known as brown color. Marron and orange, that is orange. These two color in masculine singular and feminine singular when becomes plural, it will not take S at the end. For example, we have les crayons sont orange. The pencils are orange. When we write in plural, it will not take S at the end. Okay? So these were your simple and basic few rules which you have to remember and learn. If you learn your French and English vocab together, it will be beneficial for you and you will remember easily. For example, in your le vocabulary, if you have words like you have les raisins, into bracket it is written masculine, so singular will be le raisin. What is the meaning? The grapes. If you write l'ananas, then the meaning will be pineapple. Les ananas, the pineapples. Both helps when you read French and English vocabulary properly and learn the spelling the same way and learn the English meaning the same way, so it will be more beneficial. This was your session of having some basic information on your grammar rules. Next session, we will be continuing with a new chapter, lesson 7, and it will be on the vegetables, that is les légumes. Till then, au revoir.